My name is Agarwal, and he's my father-in-law, Mr. Dinesh Chandra Agarwal, and he met me with an accident on 11th of August, and after that we got the call from one of the person there. We rushed there, and then we admit him to a local hospital, and there he was doing well. He was recovering, but suddenly he got to the ICU. Then we find out, and we already know Dr. Mishra, because he is a well-known doctor in Agra. Everyone knows him. And then we tried to contact him, and suddenly we found that he has his own hospital, Mahanandan Hospital in Noida. So we contacted here, and then we came here. After that, one thing is very, very impressive, that in a one go he diagnoses that was not an accident, that was a brain stroke. So that was the key point diagnosis, and then based upon that he went to the treatment, and that went very well. And as per him, it will take 2 to 3 months for the recovery, and we are well satisfied with him, and we already know him. Everyone knows in India and abroad also. So that is, and so the treatment wise, that's very good here. And if we talk about the services in the hospital, those are also good. But that is in the Greater Noida, I would say other hospitals are also there, but in terms of the brain and the heart, which services this hospital is offering, those are good. And I would say that Dr. Mishra and the team, they are doing very well in that.